seeing all thumbs up. Well, good afternoon. My name is Sheriff Adam Christianson, and this will be our second and final press conference today. As you can see by the showing of support behind me, the killing of Deputy Dennis Wallace has had a tremendous negative effect on our organization. We're a family. Law enforcement is a family. And just like families who lose loved ones, we've lost someone special to us. Every single member of our department is part of a team of people that are dedicated and committed to serving the community. And so today we stand before you grieving the loss of Deputy Dennis Wallace. I am pleased to tell you that the suspect is in custody. The suspect, David Machado, was arrested in Tulare County just after 12 o'clock today, right after he committed an armed robbery at a convenience store in the city of Lindsay. At about 12, just after 12 o'clock, the suspect tried to steal a purse from a female victim who fought back and called the police. As the police responded to this incident, the suspect fled the scene on foot and was captured and ultimately taken into custody without incident. He surrendered to those peace officers who were chasing him. That took place at about 12:33. He was taken into custody. The suspect wasn't immediately recognized or identified until after he was taken into custody. Law enforcement officers, because we had broadcast this information California-wide, that this individual was wanted for the murder of a peace officer, they recognized him and immediately contacted us. The suspect was positively identified through tattoos and a photograph that we had issued to all law enforcement agencies as an individual who was wanted for murdering a peace officer and who we considered armed and dangerous. We do have we have both of the vehicles now in our possession. The van that was used this morning to flee the scene from Fox Grove, and then the car that was carjacked, the victim's car out of Keys, was also recovered. Both of those vehicles will be brought back here to process for evidence. I want to start by thanking Chief Chris Hughes of the Lindsay Police Department and my colleague Sheriff Mike Boudreau from Tulare County for their assistance and the allocation of resources in bringing this case, at least for today, to closure. We still have a long way to go. There's still much work that needs to be done. You probably saw our homicide detectives board our aircraft. Our air support unit flew them down to Tulare County to start the process of determining whether or not the suspect wants to give us a statement. We also have a team on our way to Tulare County, both our correctional emergency response team as well as members of our SWAT team who work together quite regularly. And we will be bringing Mr. Machado back here to Stanislaus County, where he will stand trial, and we will seek justice, and justice will be done in this case. Again, I want to remember, and I want all of you to remember, the Wallace family. We need to keep them in our thoughts and prayers. We need to keep law enforcement in our thoughts and prayers. I challenged everybody earlier in our first press conference. It's time to stand united. It's time to stand together with public safety and with law enforcement to stop what's happening in our nation. Thank you.
Sheriff,
I'm not going to answer any questions. We're done. Thank you very much.